Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and let's talk about updates for Windows 11. What is going to happen? What will be the time that you're allowed to stay on a feature update? Well, we had some answers to this. We already knew that it was a new servicing model, so Windows 11 is, once again, treated as Windows as a service, which is a operating system that evolves and that gets updates. But unlike Windows 10 that had two major updates a year that literally drove people crazy, Windows 11 is on a model of one update a year. So one feature update per year. So what that means, so on October 5th, you're going to get Windows 11 officially. You'll have, like Windows 10 does, you'll have the monthly security updates and the monthly bug fixing updates. Those will be done in a way that is extremely streamlined, meaning that those updates for security and for bug fixing will be smaller and more efficient than what we usually have in Windows 10. So it should actually be an improvement, should actually be faster to install. We'll see about that as everybody moves on to Windows 11 at some point, but that should already be better. After a year, so the second half of every year, so now we will have, of course, Windows 11 October. Next year, around October, November, we'll have our first big major update for Windows 11. That will be the first update for next year. And that's going to happen as long as Windows 11 exists. We will have a once a year update, always on the second half of the year. So September, October, November, somewhere around there. That will add new features and that will tweak Windows 11. That will be a big update. What we also know about support. So in Windows 10, the support for feature updates is 18 months. That means anybody that has a new feature update in Windows 11 and Windows 10, you have 18 months or roughly a year and a half before you have to move on. That changes to 24 months in Windows 11. So in Windows 11, when you have the updates, say that you have the October 5th Windows 11, you can stay there for 2 years. You don't have to install the next feature update next year. You can wait until the year after if you want and stay with that system for 2 years before you will be forced to go on to a feature update. So that is a slight improvement, 2 years instead of a year and a half. And of course, for those that are on the education and enterprise, get 36 months, which is 3 years. And that is nice. And everybody that is, I want to just repeat it because it's a question I get asked all the time. You're on Windows 10 Home, you'll be moved to Windows 11 Home. And if you're on Windows 10 Pro, you'll be moved to Windows 11 Pro. So that's the news, as we are still in a Windows as a service, but at least now it's going to be a one update a year. And you can stay there for 2 years when you are on one of the feature updates, which I think is not too bad. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.